up the brave for lab rat. In this, we need to find someone, and I'll show you their location now. Alright, so approaching the hunter's paradise over here from the left landing place. Essentially, what we'll be doing is we'll be heading pretty much straight into the firing range right about here. In here, you'll find the body that you're looking for, and you'll be able to complete the quest relatively quickly. Just keep in mind that there are, of course, AI in the area, and you'll need to sort them out before you can get in there. Coming over the back of the shooting range here, you can see this person over here. This is the target that we're looking for. So, clearing out the area of some AI, we should be able to get down there and get the note that's lying on the floor just behind them. So, pushing our way down, and in here, checking the floor right behind this, there's a goodbye letter. We'll grab this and we'll keep it safe, probably in our back pocket here to take it back home. That's it. Now, if this is all that you have to do here, you can pack up and leave. Heading back to hand in the brave to lab rat, we'll hand over the proof of identity, and there you go. So, hopefully you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.